You will sometimes run into situations where transactions do not approve. In this case, I have a transaction that I'm about to run here for a customer, and if I scroll down and hit charge, the transaction has been declined. So we show this failed message and the processor response. The processor response is what we received from your credit card processor. This is usually a message from the card issuing bank. In this case, it's a generic decline message. We don't know why it was declined, that's just what was returned. Additionally, if a CVV or address information was entered on the transaction, we'll also display the address verification result and the card ID result. These are not necessarily reasons why the transaction was declined, but we want to give you that information so that you have it available. In this case, the address verification result is no address or zip match, which means none of the address information was returned as correct by the card issuer. And for card ID result, we got CVV2 CVC2 match. That means that the CVV provided was correct. Again, these are not reasons why the transaction failed necessarily, but they are information about the transaction that may help you troubleshoot if you think that you should be getting an approval.